In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, click on this gear one first. Select the voice typing section and make sure this switcher is on. Later on, you can enable or disable those two options however you want to. But first, let's learn how to use voice typing. Just click on microphone icon, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. Now, if you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. And my favorite part, tap on your microphone and select a button that will appear on the left, over here. Then select next, hit done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Later on, you can always go back to settings, like I showed you, and enable emojis or toolbar section, which will get you this emoji icon here. And when you click on it, you'll be able to add any emojis you like. To exit emoji keyboard, click on this X at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!